Let us see. Today we are going to discuss some more speed techniques. Rule number 4. And in the previous classes we discussed about rule number 1, 2 and 3. And in this class we are going to discuss about rule number 4. How to calculate the squares which are near to 100. Near to 100 squares near to 100. For example, 106 square. How to calculate 106 square? How to calculate 109 square? How to calculate 112 square? Fine. Let us see. And this number is 6 more than 100. Then we add one more 6 to this number. You get 106 plus 6, 112, which is the half of the result. First half of the result. By adding 6 only. Why we are adding 6 means this number is 6 more than 100. Then we add 6. 6 square equal to, the second half is always be 2 digits. That is 6 square equal to 36. And this 6 which comes from the addition. Okay. Let's we go for 109 square. And it is a 9 more than 100. Then we add 9 again. It becomes 118. It is the first half of the result by adding only 9. Okay. And the second half of the result should be 2 places only. That is we added 9 means 9 square. 9 square is 81. You get that answer 11881. Next 112 square. 112 square. And it is 12 more than 100. So we add 12 again. You get 124. 124. Then the second half should be 2 places again. 2 places again. That is 12 square. Here we added 12. Now we go for calculating 12 square. 12 square is 144. But 144 is a 3-digit number. Then we required only 2 places. One be added to the first half of the result. Okay, the second half of the result should be always 2 places. Should be always 2 places. So if the second half is a 3-digit number, then the hundreds place be added to the first half of the result. Then the entire result which comes to 12544. 12544. And then after that. And these are all about above 100. We go for below 100. Near to 100 means below 100 also. Let us say 96 square, 93 square, and 98 square. Okay, let's see. And this 96, how much less than 100? It is 4 less than 100. So we subtract again 4, you get 92. If it is more than 100, we add. If it is less than 100, we subtract. So it is 4 less than 100 means we subtract 4 again, it becomes 92 as the first half of the result. And the second half of the result is, how much we subtracted? 4. 4 square is 16. 92, 16. The second half is always be 2 places only. Not more than that, not less than that. Right. 93 square. It is how much less than 100? 7 less than 100. So that we subtract again 7, you get 86. So we subtracted 7, you get 86 is the first half of the answer. How much we subtracted? 7. 7 square is 49 as the second half of the result. Then after 98 square. It is 2 less than 100. We subtract 2 again. It becomes 96 is the first half of the number. Second half of the number is how much we subtracted? 2. So 2 square is 4 is a single digit number, but we require 2 places means 0, 4. 0, 4. and this is all about the square numbers which are near to 100. Okay, thank you.